Welcome to a short preview of the Workplace Harassment Prevention and the Law Office Supervisor course. This preview will introduce Anderson Davis Incorporated. We've been delivering learning solutions for over 30 years, show you the course's menu, identify 8 design elements used to create all of our online courses, and demo an excerpt from one module in the Office version. Anderson Davis Incorporated was established in 1980. Our harassment training methods have been featured on 2020, News Station on TV Asahi in Japan, and Oprah. Anderson Davis has produced numerous award-winning video and online harassment prevention training courses, including a video course named Top 10 Training Product by HR Executive Magazine and e-learning courses selected as Products of the Year in 2007, 2008, and 2009 by Training Media Review. The Office Supervisor version of the Workplace Harassment Prevention and the Law course includes 14 modules covering a broad range of harassment topics crucial to a comprehensive training program. These include Introduction, Pre-Course Knowledge Check, Law's Impact on Employers' Harassment Policy, Employers' Policy, Subtle to Hostile Work Environment, Protected Characteristics Harassment, The Complex Workplace, How to Stop Prohibited Behavior, How to Recognize and Prevent Retaliation, Supervisor's Role in Preventing Retaliation, Receiving a Complaint, Intervention 8-Step Process, Third-Party Recipient of Harassment Intervention, and Course Knowledge Check. The course covers topics relevant to today's complex workplaces, including workplace dating and how policy can apply outside the workplace, sexual orientation, gender identity, and gender expression, use of information technology and social media, profanity and its impact on the work environment, and bullying. This course includes 8 key design elements that incorporate adult learning theory, engage learners, clarify each client's harassment policy and complaint process, provide practical resolution techniques, and increase learners' retention of key concepts. Immediately challenge participants to think, identify and answer FAQs about policy, simplify legal bases of harassment and explain impact on policy, create realistic scenarios that emotionally engage participants, identify objective methods for recognizing subtle sexual harassment, dramatize diverse workplace situations, write detailed feedback, identify and demonstrate practical resolution skills. Now, watch this excerpt from the Supervisor's Role in Preventing Retaliation module featured in the Office version of the course. You will see how a supervisor intervenes to prevent retaliation in the workplace.
Later that day, Pam talked with Tom and then Ivan. We will join Pam partway through her meeting with Ivan. She has told him that she talked with Wendy and has asked Ivan to stop those types of behavior. Ivan has just agreed to stop his prohibited behavior. Pam will continue their meeting and tell Ivan about their retaliation policy.
I also want you to understand that we don't tolerate retaliation.
Okay, but what does that have to do with me?
Well, how are you going to deal with Wendy in the future?
I won't look her up and down, and I'll avoid her for a while so I don't make her uncomfortable.
Ivan and Wendy are co-workers, so what should Pam say? Yes, that's right.
This is the best option because it encourages Ivan to recognize the negative impact of avoiding his coworker, but avoids increasing his defensiveness, so that Pam can go on to explain why avoiding Wendy is a type of retaliation.
This option is not appropriate because Pam is giving Ivan permission to avoid Wendy, even though they work together. It will be difficult for Ivan and Wendy to do their jobs correctly if they are not talking with each other.
This option is not correct because the goal of an effective intervention is to stop an employee's prohibited behavior, not to threaten him or her nor increase their defensiveness. Saying that, if you avoid her, that is retaliation, is accurate. But having an employee recognize the negative impacts of ignoring a coworker and then explaining why their behavior is retaliation will usually reduce the harasser's defensiveness.
This is what a few clients and reviews say about our online courses. Thank you for viewing this presentation. For more information or to arrange a free full course evaluation, please contact Pam Wyas at Workplace Results.